So this is my weekly trade journal for the week of January 13th through the 17th, 2025. So this week I got my evaluation account reset through Top Step. So this was my first few trades for that. Overall, it's going pretty well as far as soft skills, I guess is what I'd call it, discipline and journaling. That's kind of been my focus. So I have a template for my daily journaling that I'm building the habit of filling out. So a lot of this stuff I was doing anyway, as far as filling out my AMDX tracking stuff and marking out and making note of the daily opens and things like that. And then kind of journaling positions as I open or close them. But the big thing I think that I'm trying to incorporate is the post market afterwards, after the market has closed. Did the market do what I was expecting it to do? Did I adhere to my trading plan, etc.? And I have a section for the messages in the group chat that I'm a part of, if anything kind of aligns with my thoughts for the day. So I've been doing that. Friday I did pretty well, I think. I made quite a bit of notes and trades. I wrote up a pretty decent synopsis for the day after that. And then Thursday, I think I did everything for the most part, except for my post-market journal was not as involved as the previous day. And then Friday was kind of needed some work. So that'll be probably my focus for next week as well. Monday is the inauguration and the memorial for Jimmy Carter. So market will be that'll be a no trade day for me. So I'll spend that studying. And one of the things that happened this week also is I put my trading plan into the group chat for review. So I got some feedback on it, and I'll probably be working on incorporating the feedback that I got this week. I've been slowly chipping away at it, but so maybe once I'm finished making those improvements, I will share that in a video journal, just to kind of have that out there. And I've been mainly focusing on my risk sizing based on the last video that I made, the discovery of I thought I had a risk management plan in place, but it really turned out to not be so, and I was kind of all over the place. And I discovered if I just did the same contract sizing for every trade, it flipped my profit and loss, or my equity curve kind of generally trends down. And if I just did one or two or whatever, the same contracts for every trade, it ended up going kind of up and to the right. So that has been my focus this week, is just sticking to that above all things and just taking trades that I'm comfortable with. So as far as actual scorekeeping, this is the paper account that I'm still working on. So it was about right here that I made that discovery. So I have kind of started trending upward. I had several losing trades in a row, which was kind of frustrating, but that's just how it goes. That's the purpose of what I'm doing. So you can see building up and then kind of taking a gentle swing down. So hopefully this upcoming week I can start building that back up. And this has all been at one contract. So this would have probably been something more like this if I had not been sticking to that. So I think this is working so far, and then I just need to wait for my next good string of winning trades, and then that should continue this trend upward. And then as far as the evaluation account, I've taken 4 trades total, and I am at that's not gonna come up, 50,252. I was up at a max of 50,312 over the first 3 trades. That was 3 winners in a row and then 1 losing trade. So overall, up and to the right so far. So I just got to hang in and keep that up, and we should be okay. So everything is going pretty well, I think. It's just a matter of focusing on the soft skills and discipline and adherence to my trade plan in continuation with learning the technical side of things. So I feel like I've had a fairly consistent feel for the bias. This has been a nicely formed price action over the past couple months, month or two maybe, since mid-December. So I've had a good feel for that, which has been nice, and I'm just going to keep working on everything and onwards and upwards.